Hey there, there's a new craze out there for a healthy drink. If you read the title, then you know it's purple onion soup. And it's super easy to make. Let's jump right into it. So the first thing you need are some purple organic onions. And you'll know that it's organic because you'll see a 5-digit code that starts with a 9. Now, if you want to know what the codes mean on the produce, I'll post a link below the video so that you can get a better idea of what to look for when you're grocery shopping. Now, on the onion, you want to make sure the skin is not bad because you'll be using it all in the pot. I use a spring water by Mountain Valley. Now you can get any type of spring water, but you want to make sure that it's in a glass bottle like these here. I got mine from Whole Foods, but I'm sure you can get them from other health food stores nearby. And of course, you're going to need the obvious: a pot, a knife, a cutting board, and some mason jars. I started by cutting the entire onion up with no scraps for the trash because everything is going to be going into the pot. So once you're done cutting the onions up, you want to make sure you pour the spring water into the pot and cover it up. And then boil it for about 5 to 8 minutes. And you don't want to do it any longer because you want to make sure you keep all the nutrients in the water. Once you're done, you want to grab the mason jars and start pouring the broth from the onions into the jars and then cover them immediately. You don't want any onions in there, you just want the juice from the onions to be in the jars. You may be tempted to drink the soup while it's hot, but you're going to want to wait until it's at room temperature and then take it in. I normally drink mine about 3 times a day. Morning, lunch, dinner, whatever's sufficient for you, you can follow that schedule. Now you may be wondering, does it really taste like onion? Well, you'll be really surprised that this soup does not taste like onion at all. It's sweet and it's bland, but it's supposed to be bland because you don't want to add any seasoning to this soup because then you'll be doing yourself an injustice because you'll be missing all of the healthy benefits from this drink. Now, I have to say, I am not a medical doctor, and the information that I'm sharing is for informational purposes only, and you should always consult a medical doctor before you start trying any new health regimen. So that's all to it. That is how you make purple onion soup.